How to use L-carnitine injection updated. Most people get this wrong by skipping proper dosage or ignoring medical advice. The surprising truth is that L-carnitine injections are effective and safe when used correctly. Start by consulting a healthcare professional to determine the proper dosage for your goals, whether it's fat metabolism, energy support, or athletic performance. Never self-administer without guidance. You won't believe how much safety matters for effectiveness. Prepare the injection site, usually the upper arm thigh, or butt it by cleaning with an alcohol swab. Use a sterile needle and syringe, drawing the recommended dose carefully. Rotate injection sites to avoid irritation. Administer the injection intramuscularly or subcutaneously as instructed. After injection, apply gentle pressure to reduce discomfort. Dispose of needles safely in a sharps container. Most people skip rotation, but rotating sites prevents tissue damage and bruising. Monitor for side effects such as mild redness, swelling, or irritation. Serious reactions are rare, but seek medical attention if needed. Maintain a consistent schedule for optimal results. In conclusion, L-carnitine injections are effective when used under guidance with proper dosage, site preparation, and safety precautions. Follow these steps to maximize benefits safely.